We'll guide you through how to create a Mailchimp ad quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab located in the sidebar menu. Click on Create Campaign and then select Social Post from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to choose the platform for your ad, such as Facebook or Instagram. Select your desired platform and click Next. Now you'll need to connect your social media account if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Mailchimp to access your account. After your account is connected, you can set your ad's audience. Choose whether you want to target your Mailchimp contacts, a new audience, or use a custom audience. Once you've set your audience, click Next to move on. Now it's time to create your ad content. Enter a catchy headline, compelling text, and upload any images or videos you want to include. Make sure your visuals are high quality and aligned with your brand messaging. You can preview your ad on the right side of the screen to see how it will appear on different devices. Once you're satisfied with your content, click Next to set your budget and schedule. Decide how much you want to spend on this ad and select either a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Then choose the duration for your ad campaign. Finally, review all the details to make sure everything looks great, and click Publish to launch your ad. Congratulations! Your Mailchimp ad is now live and ready to reach your audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.